So with this, presenting the all new Redmi 9A. So this is the box of Redmi 9A. Very simple and elegant. यहाँ पे top right पे है MI logo, phone की picture, और top left पे India's #1 smartphone brand and my personal favorite, made in India. तो चलिए ओपन करते हैं इस बॉक्स को. इसके अंदर आता है आपका फेवरेट देश का स्मार्टफोन Redmi 9A और साथ में 10 watt fast charger. The first thing which is really great about this device is its big display. It comes with 6.53-inch IPS HD Plus display. And this is the biggest Redmi A series phone that we've ever launched in the country. Redmi 9A is 6.53-inch with 20:9 aspect ratio. And this has become the new normal. We're bringing host of features such as dark mode and reading mode 2.0, which is also TUV certified. Redmi 9A comes in 3 gorgeous colors: midnight black, sea blue, and my personal favorite, nature green. Redmi 9A comes with an Aura 360 design, which is not only anti-slip but is also smudge free. तो आपके fingerprints के marks इस phone पे कभी भी दिखाई नहीं देंगे. This is also a unibody 3D design, which is very comfortable to hold. So let's talk about performance. Your Redmi 9A comes with the brand new Helio G25 processor. This is a 12 nanometer octa-core processor, which is really good. And this has an Antutu score of more than 90,000. For all the gamers, we also have Hyper Engine game technology. ये वो टेक्नोलॉजी है जो हम 10, 12, 15 हज़ार के स्मार्टफोन्स में लेके आते थे, and now we are bringing it at an entry level with Redmi 9A. आपको 2 GB RAM और 3 GB RAM मिलते हैं with Redmi 9A, और दोनों के साथ मिलता है 32 GB storage. And for all our Mi fans who want more and more storage, we also have a dedicated micro SD card where you can expand the memory up to 512 GB of storage. Redmi 9A में हम दे रहे हैं 2+1 SIM slot ताकि आप 2 कनेक्शंस यूज कर सकें, और साथ में एक डेडिकेटेड माइक्रो SD कार्ड स्लॉट. Redmi 9A comes with MIUI 12 based on Android 10 out of the box. तो ना सिर्फ फ्लैगशिप फोन्स बट हर प्राइस रेंज पे इंक्लूडिंग आवर एंट्री सेगमेंट 9A comes with MIUI 12. Redmi 9A comes with a 13 megapixel AI camera in the back and a 5 megapixel selfie camera in the front. और अब बात करते हैं बैटरी की. Redmi 9A comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery which will easily last for 2 days under regular usage condition. और अगर बैटरी खत्म होती है to charge it we have 10 watt fast charger in box. आप देख सकते हैं USB port. We also have a mic and the all new grill design for our speaker. और फ्रंट में we have 3.5 mm headphone jack. और अब बात करते हैं क्वालिटी की. आपका फेवरेट देश का स्मार्टफोन Redmi 9A comes with Redmi का भरोसा, which means it comes with highest quality standards. इस फोन पे हम लोग दे रहे हैं P2i कोटिंग which makes the phone splash proof. प्लस इसमें रबराइज सील्स होती हैं और जिसके जितने भी पोर्ट्स हैं वो सब corrosion resistant है. आजकल मॉनसून का सीजन है, बाहर बारिशें हो रही हैं, हम अपने फ़ोन को लेके जाते हैं, वो गीला हो सकता है. प्लस वी आर ऑलवेज क्लीनिंग अवर फोन्स विद सैनिटाइजर, एंड P2i with rubberized seals and corrosion proof ports ensures that your phone is protected against all liquids including water and sanitizer. Redmi 9A also comes with reinforced corners on all 4 sides, and we have tested it up to the height of 1 meter multiple number of times. तो अगर आप अपने फोन को नीचे गिराएंगे भी तो उस पर कुछ नहीं होगा. चलिए टेस्ट करते हैं. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं इस फोन पे कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ा. This is still working perfectly fine. So this is Redmi 9A. देश का स्मार्टफोन। Before we talk about price, let me share how difficult it is for us to design a phone like Redmi 9A. मुझे लगता है दो फोन डिजाइन करना सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल होता है। पहला, our flagship series like Mi 10 or Redmi K series, because we are bringing the latest and the best technology for all our Mi fans. And the second one, which is very difficult, is our entry level Redmi A series. ये हम लोग डिजाइन कर रहे हैं for everyone. वो सब लोग जिन्होंने फीचर फोन यूज करे हैं, वो पहली बार स्मार्टफोन यूज करेंगे, and it is our duty to ensure they get the best possible experience, best features, best quality at the most affordable price. And it is truly challenging. And I hope all such people enjoy a great experience with Redmi 9A, and this brings the next digital revolution. 2020 has been a very tough year for all of us. हम सबको बहुत सारी मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ा है. And it is being especially very tough for smartphone industry. इस साल GST increase हो गई by 50% from 12% to 18%. Entire global supply chain was disrupted, and US dollar increased as compared to INR. And all of this has put a lot of pressure on pricing of smartphones across all brands. And our aim is to ensure we provide the best possible honest price to all our Mi fans. With Redmi 9A, I want to make one more commitment to all of you guys. हम लोग अपने सारे हार्डवेयर प्रोडक्ट्स, अपने स्मार्टफोन, स्मार्ट टीवीज, लैपटॉप, हर चीज़ पे 5% से कम प्रॉफिट मार्जिन रखते हैं. And on Redmi 9A, we have decided not to keep any profit margin. तो जिस भी लोएस्ट प्राइस पे हम ये स्मार्टफोन बना सकते हैं, उसी प्राइस पे हम ये स्मार्टफोन आप सब लोगों को प्रोवाइड करेंगे, so that everyone can enjoy a smartphone during these tough times. And I'm happy to share Redmi 9A 2GB 32GB variant is being launched at an honest price of 6,799 rupees, and 3GB 32GB variant is being launched at only rupees 7,499 rupees. So where can you buy Redmi 9A? It will be available on Mi.com, Amazon, Mi Home Stores and Mi Studio Stores, and will be soon available across more than 10,000 retail partners across the country. But picture abhi baki hai mere dosto. We are also launching Redmi earphones. ये launch कर रहे हैं हम at an honest price of only rupees 399, and will be available across all partner platforms and all 10,000 plus retail stores.